Hello everyone, welcome to Parenting with Dr. Kruti.
Brainteasers for Kids Part 4. People make me, save me, change me, raise me. What am I? Money. A word I know, 6 letters it contains. Remove 1 and 12 remain. What is it? Dozens. Remove S and it is dozen. I am always hungry and will die if not fed. But if you water me, I will die. What am I? Fire. Can you add one mathematical symbol in between 55555 to equal 500? Five 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 minus 55 is 500. What word, when written in capital letters, is the same frontward, backward, and also upside down? Noon, N-O-O-N, noon. What has a mouth but doesn't eat? Has a bank with no money, a bed but does not sleep, and waves but no hands? A river. A man went out in the pouring rain with no protection, but not a single hair on his head got wet. How come? The man was bald. If a plane crashed on the border of England and Scotland, where would you bury the survivors? You don't bury survivors. I am filled with keys, but there are no locks. I have space, but there are no extra rooms. Sure, you can enter, but there is absolutely no exit. What am I? A keyboard. I am an odd number. But if you take away just a single letter from me, I become even. Can you guess my number? 7. Seven. You remove S and I am even. Hope you all enjoyed the Brainteasers.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो उसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.